Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by choosing 1-2 clubs or course groups that genuinely interest you. This gives you shared context. Once enrolled, attend at least the first 2 meetups and make 3 brief introductions per event so momentum builds. Make sure to have a quick, natural intro and 2 open questions ready. This reduces awkward pauses. You'll meet people faster when you show consistent presence and curiosity, and the shared activity gives you practical things to talk about after those first introductions. You now deepen early contacts by following up within 48 hours. Send a brief message referencing your earlier chat. Once connected, suggest a low-effort plan like coffee, a study session, or lunch within a week to convert acquaintance into hangout. Make sure to frame it around shared tasks or interests because doing something together accelerates closeness more than small talk. While meeting, listen actively, remember one detail about them, and use it later. That shows attention and makes future invites feel natural. You finish by solidifying friendships with recurring plans, set a weekly study slot or regular lunch so connection becomes automatic. Once you have 1 or 2 reliable contacts, expand the circle by inviting them to small group activities. Groups reduce pressure and increase shared memory. If invitations go unanswered or dynamics feel flat, ask for honest feedback and adjust your approach. Maybe shift timing, activity, or tone. Troubleshoot calmly. If someone isn't responsive, invest elsewhere while maintaining polite openness so burnout doesn't set in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.